Very good morning, children. Welcome to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. As we have started our civics portion, in that the first chapter, Our Life in Society, we are going to learn. In the previous sessions, as we have learnt, why did man feel the need for society, the social nature of man, and our development we have learnt. Now we are going to learn about what is meant by society. In that, as we have learnt yet before, that the society includes all people, men, women, grown-ups, old people, young children. As you know, children, our families also are a part of the society. As we have many needs, to fulfill these needs like food, clothing, shelter and security, the society has to create a permanent system. We have the basic needs, as we have learnt yet before also, that the food, clothing, shelter and security are our basic needs. To fulfill these needs, the society has to create a permanent system. This kind of system is called as government. We are calling this as a government. Without such system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. Without this kind of system, whatever our daily routine life is there, in that whatever needs are there, it cannot be fulfilled without such kind of systems. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. The state of being continued, the kind of system is essential, is necessary. It is necessary to set up a permanent system in the society to fulfill our basic needs. The existence of the society depends upon this permanent system. Means for the food, agricultural is there. For the clothing, by the agriculture, by the farming, we are getting the clothing. Shelter also is there for our security, but for that also many people also needs, and the security, for the security police force is there. This way the government also provides us these our basic needs. For example, agriculture is essential to fulfill the need for food. The main thing, the food we are getting by agricultural. Various institutions must be created to perform all the functions related to agriculture. Whatever things are needed for the farming, various kinds of institutions are there or must be created by the system. The kinds of institutions, therefore a vast system needs to be created, which includes various factories to manufacture tools and equipment used for farming. The kind of tools whatever needed for the agricultural, for that many kinds of factories are there to manufacture these kinds of tools. Banks also are there to provide loans. Children, as you know, the financial condition of the farmer is not too good. That way, banks also provides loan to the farmers. Whatever loan they are getting, by which they are purchasing the food, also, purchasing the agricultural things also, and doing the farming. That way, after the farming, whatever product they produced, for that a perfect market also provide by the government. A market for the goods produced, these kinds of things also provided by the government. The existence of many such systems makes society stable. Children, as I gave this example, like here you can see the farmer is farming. The types of the equipment and the tools also are there, which can be manufactured by the factories. The pesticides and biofertilizers also are there. For that the factories also are there. From there the farmer can be purchased. Banks also are there to provide the loan to the farmer. And after that, after the farming, the whatever production is there, that can be sold in the market. This way, this is the system by which the society can be stable. Do you know, children? All human beings are equal by birth. They have the same status as being human, as human being. According to the Constitution of India, all are equal before the law. Means if the person is too much rich or a common man, both are equal before the law. The Constitution guarantees the equality of opportunities. Whatever opportunities the rich person is getting, the same opportunities for the common man also is there. We can each make progress using education, capabilities and skills. These kinds of opportunities are same for all, everyone, by which we can improve our progress, can show our skills or whatever capabilities are there or the education is there. Based on that, we can get the jobs also. Children, I hope you understand the whole chapter. I'm going to give you the question and answers, that also you have to write in the notebook. Again and again, as I'm telling you to watch the videos more times, that way you can understand the chapter. Thank you.